Infinix is gearing up to launch its latest budget-friendly smartphone, the Infinix Hot 50 5G, in India on September 5th. Ahead of the launch, the brand has revealed the phone's design, price range, and some of the key specifications. Here's everything the brand has revealed so far. The Infinix Hot 50 5G will be available in 3 colors: blue, green, and dark gray. The phone boasts a sleek and modern design with flat edges and a narrow vertical camera stack on the back. The brand also claims it is the slimmest 5G smartphone in its category, measuring just 7.8 millimeters thick. Additionally, the device offers IP54 dust and water resistance for protection against everyday elements. The Infinix Hot 50 5G is set to be available in India exclusively on Flipkart at a price point under $9,999. Assuming that's the price of the base variant, it will be a compelling option for those seeking a budget-friendly 5G smartphone. Under the hood, the smartphone is expected to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. This will be paired with either 4GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It is also said to be rated TÜV SÜD A-Level 60-month Fluency Assurance, which certifies that the phone can operate smoothly for up to 5 years. In terms of optics, the Infinix Hot 50 5G will feature a dual camera setup on the back, consisting of a 48-megapixel primary sensor and an additional AI camera. The device will also offer a variety of camera modes to enhance your photography experience.